Welcome to our PayPal tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use PayPal to send and receive money securely. But before that, what is PayPal? Every day, PayPal connects millions worldwide, spending and receiving money effortless. In using PayPal, now you can pay online, in stores, or send money to friends using their email or mobile number. Shop online? Look for the PayPal button at checkout. Use your PayPal password and skip entering payment info. One touch makes checkout faster. Plus, your eligible purchases are protected by PayPal Purchase Protection. For businesses, PayPal allows you to accept payments even from customers without PayPal accounts. Access capital with PayPal working capital and accept charity donations. So, wherever you are, PayPal helps you manage your money. Without further ado, let's get started. Once you are logged in your account, it will direct you to the dashboard, and when sending money, make sure the recipient has a PayPal account. Click Send in the top right corner, and then you have to enter their details. You can have their name, username, email, or mobile. And then you're going to put the amount, and then you can also add a note if needed. Then click Next, and then you can choose whenever you want them to pay, either from your PayPal balance or from your bank account. So I'm choosing PayPal balance. Then you have to review the transaction and then hit Send. In requesting money, click Request on the home screen and then fill in the details. Then specify the amount and add a note, and then request a payment. You can also send invoices by selecting Create an Invoice on homepage, and then you have to fill in the necessary details and then hit Send. In terms of receiving money, ensure that your PayPal account is linked to a bank account or debit card. You can share your PayPal email or use a link for easy payments. When someone sends money, it appears in your PayPal balance. To check your PayPal balance, you can see it in your dashboard in the top left corner. Listed also below are the recent activity that you receive money from someone, and also you can see here the bank and cards that is registered in your account. So that's it. You now know how to use PayPal for various transactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful guides. Thank you for watching!